Welcome to You Are Undefeated, where inspiring success stories help you break limits. Today we'll dive into the extraordinary journeys of visionaries like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs and how they turned dreams into reality. Ready? Let's get started. In the vast landscape of modern innovation, two titans stand tall, their stories intertwined with the fabric of technological advancement: Elon Musk and Steve Jobs. Their journeys, marked by relentless ambition, creativity, and a fair share of setbacks, illuminate the path of what it means to aspire for greatness. Each of them, in their unique way, has reshaped industries, inspired millions, and left an indelible mark on the world. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Inc., was not just a businessman. He was a visionary who saw potential where others saw limitations. Born in 1955, Jobs had an unconventional upbringing that would later fuel his creativity. He dropped out of Reed College after just one semester, yet he continued to audit classes that piqued his interest, including calligraphy, which would later influence the design aesthetics of Apple products. In 1976, alongside Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne, he launched Apple in a garage, an inception story that has since become legendary. The initial years were fraught with challenges. The Apple I computer was a gamble, and the company struggled to find its footing. However, Jobs' relentless pursuit of perfection and his insistence on marrying technology with art led to the creation of the Apple II, which revolutionized personal computing. His ability to foresee the future of technology was uncanny. Jobs didn't just want to create products, he sought to create experiences. The introduction of the Macintosh in 1984 was a watershed moment, as it brought graphical user interfaces to the masses, making computers accessible and appealing. Yet success didn't come without its trials. In 1985, after a power struggle with Apple's board, Jobs was ousted from the company he helped build. This setback, however, did not deter him. Instead, he founded Next, a computer platform development company, and acquired Pixar, which would go on to create groundbreaking animated films. During this period, Jobs learned valuable lessons about leadership and creativity. His time at Pixar not only enriched his understanding of storytelling, but also solidified his belief in the importance of collaboration and innovation. In 1997, after years of wandering, Jobs returned to Apple, which was struggling to stay relevant. With a renewed vision, he streamlined the product line and introduced the iMac, which was not only a technological marvel, but also a design icon. The subsequent launch of the iPod, iPhone, and iPad transformed Apple into one of the most valuable companies in the world. Jobs' legacy is not merely in the products he created, but in the culture of innovation he fostered. He taught the world that technology could be beautiful, intuitive, and life-changing. While Jobs was redefining personal computing, Elon Musk was embarking on his own journey of innovation. Born in South Africa in 1971, Musk exhibited an extraordinary aptitude for technology from a young age. He taught himself programming and created a video game at 12, selling it for $500. After moving to the United States, he attended the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned degrees in physics and economics. Musk's ambition led him to co-found Zip2, a city guide software for newspapers, and later X.com, which became PayPal. His ventures were marked by a willingness to take risks and a desire to solve complex problems. Musk's vision, however, extended far beyond financial technology. He founded SpaceX with the audacious goal of making space travel affordable and eventually colonizing Mars. The early years were riddled with challenges, including multiple rocket failures and financial instability. Many doubted his dreams, but Musk's resilience shone through. He famously risked his fortune to fund the company, and in 2008, after a series of successful launches, SpaceX became the first privately funded company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station. Simultaneously, Musk took on the automotive industry with Tesla, aiming to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The journey was fraught with skepticism and challenges, from production delays to financial crises. Yet, Musk's determination and innovative spirit led to the creation of electric vehicles that were not only viable, but desirable. Tesla's success has spurred a global shift towards renewable energy and electric transportation, illustrating Musk's profound impact on the future of the planet. Both Musk and Jobs faced immense challenges, yet their stories are not just about personal triumphs. They are narratives of perseverance, vision, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. They remind us that success is often born from failure, and that true leaders inspire others to dream bigger. Their legacies encourage us to embrace creativity, challenge the status quo, and strive for a better future. In a world that constantly evolves, the journeys of Steve Jobs and Elon Musk stand as beacons of inspiration, urging us to push boundaries and redefine what is possible. Every success story begins with an idea, determination, and countless failures. The key is to never give up. Learn from those who came before, apply their lessons to your own journey, and create your own success story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue growing together. See you in the next video, because you are undefeated.